Hi, today we're going to work on this cat sewing kit by Sugar Plush. Her name is Snowball. Everything you need comes in this box. You just have to prepare to have a scissor, pencil, and sewing needle. It comes with felt, ribbon, bells, beads, and sequins, and yarn, and cat skin, and lots of stuffing. And it also has instruction. So, step 1, you take the cat, start stuffing. Make sure you push the stuffing to the face as well. And to the paws. And legs. That looks pretty good. And get your sewing needle and your thread. Now make sure you have to knot the end. And step 2, sew the cat body closed. And tie a knot. Here's your cat. Next step, you take the ribbon and then you fold it, the tip a little bit. You can either go through here. If that's too tough, you just tie around her neck, make a bow. And you bring the bell over. You sew the bell on. or two. Here's your cat with her collar and a bell. Now next step, we're going to make her a blanket. So you could pick any color you like, any color combination. I'm going to use a pink one. So what you do is you trim, you make little cuts starting from one corner. So you could cut about a finger width and just go all the way around. Now don't worry if you make some a little bit longer cut, some shorter. They're gonna look fine when you're done. Go. That looks like this one. Next step, you cut out these little hearts, cut them out so you get little, I already cut these out beforehand so they look like these little templates. Kind of imagine where you want to put them, and again you could pick the lavender or the lighter pink. I'm going to pick the lighter pink, and here's my pencil. I'm going to trace it. You can use marker to trace as well, and then trace a smaller one. You can trace as many as you like, but in my pattern here, my design, I only did 2. And now you just start cutting these. Cut these out. And they're gonna look like these little hearts. And you place them anywhere you like on the blanket. I'm gonna put it like this, kind of like the picture. And you take your needle and then just start. I start from the back here. Oops. Now you want to make this a little bit bigger. So it won't pull through. So you just stitch it on like that. There's one heart. And then you put this one, you do the same thing again. And then it's gonna look like this. And then there's your cat and the blanket. And in the package it comes with this yarn too. So it's going to show you how to make a ball of yarn so the cat has a toy to play with. So you unravel this You start with one end, doesn't matter which end, and use again 2 fingers. You start wrapping around your finger a few times, and you take it off. You wrap around the other direction, and then you just kind of turn as you wrap, so it makes it like a ball shape. There you go. So now you have a cat with her newly made blanket and her little toy ball of yarn. Thanks for watching. How do I stop? Oh.